In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have Grammarly installed and ready to help you write clearer, more polished text anywhere you type in Chrome, whether it's emails, documents, or web forms. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to the Chrome Web Store. This is Google's official marketplace for extensions, and it's the safest place to install tools like Grammarly. You can get there by searching for Chrome Web Store in your search engine or by typing the store's address into the address bar. Once the store loads, you'll see a search box at the top. Type Grammarly into that search box. In the results, look for the Grammarly extension, which is the grammar and spelling checker you're expecting. The official listing will clearly mention Grammarly as the developer and describe features like real-time writing suggestions. Taking a second to confirm you're on the official page helps you avoid lookalikes. On the Grammarly extension page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small pop-up describing what the extension can do, such as reading and suggesting improvements to the text you type. This is normal for tools that assist with writing. Review the info so you understand how the extension works within your browser. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will download and install Grammarly in the background, and you'll see a quick confirmation message once it's done. You might also notice a new icon appear near the top of your browser. That's Grammarly letting you know it's ready to set up. To start using Grammarly, sign in to your Grammarly account when prompted. This connects the extension to your profile, so your preferences and saved dictionaries carry over. If you already have an account, simply use your usual sign-in method. If you're new to Grammarly, you can create an account during this step. The free version is enough to get grammar and spelling checks right away, with optional upgrades available later if you want more advanced feedback. Once you're signed in, Grammarly begins working in Chrome wherever you type. You'll see subtle underlines or suggestions as you write, and you can click them to accept fixes or learn why a change is recommended. That's it. Grammarly is now installed and active. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're ready to enjoy clearer writing across your favorite sites using Google Chrome.